Good morning, guys. So this week we're starting off with a Mini Cooper. This is in for a minor correction, some decal replacement. We've already taken them off, ready for the wash. A deep interior clean, 5-year coating package, including the interior. I'll just take you around just to show you what we're dealing with, and then you'll see the end result at the probably Wednesday mark, maybe Thursday, but we'll see. So, Mini Cooper, or John Cooper Works even. Yeah, so we've taken the decals off. As you can see, there's defects under there. Some of it's okay, like down here. Then under the dirt there's a lot of swirling, so we're gonna have to machine all of this before we even start looking at putting decals and protection on. Obviously wheels have got to come off, all the arches are going to get cleaned out, all the plastics again really badly swirled. Same as the roof. It's been neglected a little bit, but nothing that isn't recoverable. As you can see, and the interior, it's not so bad, just needs a good once over. We'll get onto that later in the week. Done a 50-50 on the bonnet, Good afternoon, guys. So productive day on this. We've done all of the cutting stages. As you can see, the gloss has really come back. I'm just going to walk you around and show you the big improvement that has been made on this. As you can see, gloss is just really popping, and we're not finished. We've still got the refining stage to go. So I'll spin you around and go from there. As you can see, we've got rid of a lot of the defects. Swirling almost gone. Worse in some places than others, especially on the lower halves. But a drastic improvement from what it was. Like down here, look. That is just too much to take out with what we're being tasked to do. Lights have come up great. And rear bumper again is too much for what is being done. tomorrow we will be on the refining stages, just to get rid of any marring that has been caused from basic panel wiping. Yeah, good improvement. Not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but yeah, you saw it before and this is after. So we have completed the JCW, as you can see, looking far better. This has gone under a minor correction. We've replaced decals on the front, we've done ceramics, so our wax is dead. 10-year ultimate coating, the thickest coating on the market by far. If you are interested in any detailing, ceramic work, please do get in touch, and we can see what we can do for you. Cheers.